Lad,
yes.
Why are you eating again?
Again, I've been
You've
fasting.
been eating all day, lad.
Listen, lad.
That's why you're getting a bit fat.
Oh my god, lad, look at that. Wow, that's amazing. It's on brown bread, son.
Let me find you eat it, lad. Oh.
Right, tell them what's going on.
So, do you mean tell them what I found?
Tell them what we're getting.
We're gonna get a Morris Minor.
Whoa. It ain't just no Morris Minor.
No. Let me finish.
Should we build up the tension a little bit?
That's what I'm doing.
Sound like you're slowing your head a little bit.
I'm a bit pissed, lad. I'm hungry.
Yeah. But you get like Eddie when you're hungry.
Exactly.
Right,
Why don't we not tell them what it is until we get there, and then we can show them what it is when we get there? That's tension building, lad.
Yeah, but it'll just cut the video up to when we get there. So it'll be like 5 seconds. So you might
That's a good point, yeah.
You best stop telling them and then they can see it.
Yeah. Well, I found on eBay it was an ex-GPO Morris Minor van. It's obviously, it needs a lot of work doing to it, like. It needs welding and whatever else. But it comes with a full V5. That's it, full V5. Loads of paperwork in a lot, so it should be alright, really. We'll just have to see how bad it is when we get there, I guess.
Right. We'll see you there, boys. Do that thing where you grab the camera and then we'll see you there. Right, we're here. The van. Managed to strike a deal on it.
We did.
This is going to get restored. It's going to take some doing, but we'll do it.
Doing.
Yeah. But it's a genuine van. Got the full V5 for it as well. So it's one of them. You ain't going to find many of these here.
No, you never.
So a few panels in here. Get it in the back here, man.
I'm coming, don't worry.
All panels are there. I don't know why, but they've cut the gutters off it.
Yeah, I know.
But it is what it is.
Oh, that's it. Well, the holes are still here though for the roof racks and stuff.
Floors are completely gone. Chassis is completely gone.
Oh yeah, it's definitely not a weekend job, is it, lad?
I wonder if anyone could do it in a weekend. But yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Where your other one's in there? Yeah. Are we ready to record in there? Yeah. This is his pension. This is your retirement, innit? We're going through to the back now.
Yeah, we're going.
This is where the gold is. We've just done.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice and clean now, isn't it?
Oh, so do you like restore them as well? For like, do you do them for customers?
Just hobby. Just
Right,
hobby,
yeah.
mate, really. If any mates ask us to do and whatever, we will do.
Yeah.
But it's just a bit of an hobby. So we've been building game really.
Look at that, split screen pickup. That is.
Will that have traffic aid?
I don't see him on here. No, there's no traffic gators on that. Can't really see inside, it's a bit too dark.
So what year will that be?
That's a 54.
Should that not have the earlier grill?
No.
No.
It's
no.
just missed it, hasn't it?
52, 53.
Right.
They took out the flags.
Yeah.
And they changed the grill.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, it's all early dash, isn't it?
But they didn't even bother making new door pillars. They just put a plate over where the old flag indicators used to be.
So is this on a chassis as well, or not?
Yeah, it's on that's on a new chassis, that one.
Rare thing, that.
Very.
So I'm not breaking that one.
Yeah, this is just a 1972 panel van.
My dad loves these, you know, he wants a camper van.
You buy it,
One day.
Like I say, that's all been on sealed all underneath.
Yes, son. You're sweating, son.
It's just too hot.
Too hot, lad.
Sorry, it's not good.
Oh, another one. Yeah. So one of these runs and drives?
This one?
No,
This one runs in
Yeah.
drives,
It's a Blackpool in it. Look at that. You just don't see them, do you?
No.
Well, we've never had a van or a pickup, have we? I mean, a lot of people turn the Travellers into pickups, but they never right. They're never the same.
Never the same, no. Wow.
Early dash as well.
How early is it?
This
Same as that other one, I
This is a
think.
55. Like I say, that's a 54. This is a 55. So.
I'll just spectate me.
He does that at work. He'll lean on stuff. See, I'm doing all the hard work.
Listen, I am doing all the hard work.
You're buying tea, lad.
This camera's quite heavy, you know.
Is it?
It is. Did you say I'm buying tea, by the way, then? Yeah. I'm not buying tea.
I didn't catch that straight away. No, you didn't.
I'll flip for it, lad.
I'll do that.
Right then.
So we'll get it on camera, yeah?
We'll flip for tea.
And tails.
As about he flips it then.
It doesn't matter when flips it.
It does. It's for. Have you got any coins on you?
I think I've got one on that.
Oh.
I'm guaranteed tails because I beat Dean last week.
Right. Okay. So you're gonna go tails.
Tails never fails, and you.
I'm gonna go for heads then.
No, well, it's obviously.
Somebody's heads.
So we're on the journey. We're on the way home now. It's actually quite early. It's only 6:30.
James is still kind of he's lost.
I can't believe Ben genuinely believes he won the flip.
What? Well, it's on camera, lad.
Well, yeah, it's on camera. When this video's made, you'll see. You'll see that.
You forget who it is. Don't forget though.
Yeah, James.
Yeah. And who is it to me? It's my good old friend. He's just
Right, well, we'll see.
Right,
We'll see.
We'll see.
So what are we on for tea then, son?
I don't know. I think it's Jeremy Don, isn't it?
Jeremy Don. It's gonna have to be a Jeremy
Don. It has to be.
Get a few of them out, lad. So, show them.
That was bad, that way, innit?
Do that again. You're getting the left, right, good night, lad. Show them the Batman.
What Batman? Man, you're not showing him a Batman.
Just show him your Batman.
You're not seeing Batman.
They can see him anyway.
They can't.
Do you ever look at him and think, I'm Batman?
No, not really.
Good night.
No, I don't really.
Right, we're back. You buy my tea, son. No, we still need to go out and get tea. We've just got back now. There's the little creamy little van. Little creamy breaker. In fact, we're not breaking it, are we?
It's cream.
Classic hospitality, lad.
Oh.
Right, anyway, I'm only recording now because more block books going in, Cheating's back and getting in the hours because we basically said we need it done this week. So he's worked all day and now he's working all night. Yes, Cheating. We're not doing a time lapse this time. This is just another quick update. Oh, he's done it. Last block done. Look at that, unbelievable.
Mum, I've made it part 2.
Yeah. Yeah, he's famous. Look at that. So that's ready for cladding in the next couple of days. So yeah, right. That's progress for today. See you in a bit, people. What time is that? What time is 10 to 8. And he failed the coin toss. Yes, son. You're paying for it, lad. This is it. This is it. Nice. Little creamy payment right there. Get a yes, lad, out.
Yes, lad.
See, that's what happens. He's paid his debt, you see.
Go on,
say a
lad.
Lannister always pays his debts.
No.
Just say it.
Let's just say James is a tight guy and won't pay anything.
No, just say a Lannister always pays his debts.
No.
Do we do a cheers or?
Might as well.
Right. See you in a bit, boys. Yes, son, you happy now, son? Oh, look how excited Ben is. Yes, son. What are we on, son? We're our little crispy kebab, boys. Should we do a cheers with a chip?
James thing, everyone. James thing, everyone.
Well, the diet's not going very well, is it, lad?
Not for you, no.
No, not for you, lad. Yes, my son. Yes. Are you okay, son?
I'm absolutely busting, lad.
Are you busting, lad? Are you bursting?
I'm busting, but.
Oh, I can't move. Now that were nice.
It was.
But I'm just knackered, lad. I might actually tilt the seat back and have a kip. Do you reckon? Are you saving that bit of sauce for later? Why don't you save it and when you get home, get a chip out of the freezer and whack it on the sauce and eat it, lad?
What, a frozen chip?
Yeah, it'll be alright. I can't even bother driving back. Should we just have 20 minutes?
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Well, the day's complete. We do hope you enjoyed this episode. I mean, it'd be a bit weird if you didn't. So, what are we saying, Ben?
Wait, what was I saying?
Well, let's finish the video.
I thought you were keeping me, so I'm not gonna lie.
Are you still sleeping, son? My lights on, I want some. Yeah, so that was our little journey on the Moggy van.
Antique.
Antique, yeah, we actually went on a date.
Exactly.
I think the woman behind the counter thought Ben were gay, didn't she? Because you kept looking at me and smiling, but that's because I was recording. Yeah, so you kept looking at me like sticking your tongue out and laughing. She was thinking, what them two up to there? So anyway, we hope you enjoyed that video. Keep on hitting the Fumaroonies. What do you say?
Definitely. Keep subscribing as well.
Keep subscribing. Not describing, because Marcus said describe.
Yeah,
describe what?
We don't want to
what
do
we're
that.
describing.
I don't know.
I mean, you can describe whatever you want, but we'd rather you subscribe.
Yeah.
So keep hitting the likes, comments. Whoa, 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 where you going, mate?
I'll get it.
Get hold of that. Yeah, keep hitting the comments.
Peace out. Do a heat.
Ooh, my throat's a bit.
Come on, lad.
That hurts. You do one.
No.
Son,
I can't do it, lad.
do one for me. I'm going to say pretend I'm on my deathbed. Do one. Do one. Let's hear me here. Right, we'll see you in a bit, boys. Nice one for watching. I beat Dean last week.
Right, okay. So you're gonna go tails.
Tails never fails, and you.
I'm gonna go for heads then.
Nah, well, it's obviously-
Somebody says.
Oh, you little rat.
You're biting tea, lad.
On you.
You're biting tea.
As if I lost.
Even
Well,
heard
I
it.
said heads.
He was Eve as well.
I said heads.
You are buying tea.
I'm not mine. I'll buy you a tea bag, lad.
Listen. You flipped on it. That's it now.